break out the treats and they're quiet. So as you saw, we have a snow toy outside. I don't know, some sort of a snow scooter or something. Drives my dogs nuts. Drives me nuts a little bit, if I'm being honest. So we're working on our breath work and relaxing when we're a little stressed out by the happenings in the environment around us. So what I'm doing here is I have a cue for them to work on breathing. And I want to see just a flare of their nostril that indicates a breath. One thing that you can do to initiate this is you can hold a treat in front of their nose, and they're going to automatically smell it, and they get a treat for inhaling. It's so easy. So we've worked on this before with them, or I have. So I have a cue, which for me, I just hold a pinky up to my nose, and that's their cue to work on their breathing. I just saw Augie's nose flare. And you can make it whatever cue you want. That's just what works for me. Yes. And I just want to see them relax is the goal. I don't care if they're sitting, standing. I have been working on the default sit position. See, Remy's going to get rewarded just because laying down is indicating that she's relaxing a little bit more. But the default sit just means that that's their way of indicating that they want to work for treats. So if they're sitting, they're clearly ready to be trained, and that's what we're doing here. But Remy's continuing to stay in this position, so that's good. And then taking turns between the two of them. Obviously, they're breathing obviously in between me, able to treat both of them, but they're used to me having to take turns, and they know when I'm watching them. And they're patient. Yes. So other things that I do to kind of change it up. So it's not all breath work. Right now we're working on staying off the countertops because, well, Remy in particular loves food and it has no problems invading countertops to get whatever she wants. She would eat all day, every day if she could. So I'm working on not taking things from countertops without being given permission. So right now, see, he's just trying to take it off the couch. I didn't give him permission for it. Thanks for all the, see all that, Drool? Thanks, buddy. I didn't give him permission for that. So I'm gonna, see, this is a behavior work and it's newer. I'm not giving it to you. No, I'm not giving it to you. Leave it. It's not for you to take. And I can use the words leave it. They know it, but I'm not always around to use the word leave it. I do try to keep my counters as clean as possible, but when you have a kid, a 2-year-old in particular, and you're in the middle of cooking and laundry and dishes and making sure the kid is being safe, things happen. So I'm trying to foolproof leaving things on counters. And they have to ask, and sure, if they ask, I'm going to give them something. It might not be what's on the counter. Maybe it is what's on the counter, or maybe it's not. But I want them to know that not everything is up for grabs. What's up for grabs is what I'm hand offering them, or I'm telling them to take it. Now, to teach them that, I say take it, and then they can have it. Usually they'll just grab it, but they're doing too good at their job here. I'm going to give them a treat just for some relaxed breath work. Yes. I want them to look in my general vicinity and not at the treat before I give them the treat. It's like right now it would be a good time to give Remy that, but I'm going to tell her to take it instead. Take it. Augie, take it. Nope, that's Augie's. Good job. All done. Yes. Yes. Did you get a doggy? I'll take the relaxation. That's what I'm looking for. Good girl. Did you get it, buddy? Did she take her treat? Come here, you take it. Remy, stop stealing your brother's treats. Did you try? Yeah. Good girl. Go. That's not for you either. Okay, all done.